In this video, we'll be looking at the compounds of carbon, the prefix that we use, the functional group, the examples, along with the molecular formula. So let's get started. The first one is alcohol. The prefix is ol, O-L. The functional group is OH, and the examples are ethanol, that is methyl alcohol, ethanol, ethyl alcohol, propanol, propyl alcohol, and butanol. These are only few of the examples that I mentioned here. Let us look at the molecular formula for each of them. The first one is butanol. Molecular formula CH3OH. Ethanol, the molecular formula C2H5OH. Propanol C3H7OH. And butanol, that is C4H9OH. The next one we are looking at is aldehyde. Aldehyde has the suffix that is al, al. Similarly, for alcohol, the suffix was ol. Here it is al. And the functional group is CHO, or this is how it is can also be written. Examples here are methanol, that is also known as formaldehyde. Formaldehyde was also in the chapter acids and bases. Formaldehyde is used for N sticks, ethanol, propanol, and butanol. These are some of the examples. The molecular formula now for methanol is CHO, HCHO. Ethanol is CH3CHO. For propanol, it is CH3, CH2, and CHO. Butanol is CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. We now move on to the next functional group, that is ketone. It has the suffix that is -one. It's written as the functional group is written as CO. The example is propanol, that is also known as acetone. Students, where is acetone used? Acetone is used to clean, or it's a liquid. It is used to clean your nails when we apply nail polish. So acetone is a good cleaning or cleansing agent. The molecular formula is CH3, C, CH3, and your oxygen bonded to it. Next, we move on to carboxylic acid, also known as oic acid. Oic acid is the suffix that is used here. Your functional group is COH double bond. I'll write this again. double bonded to oxygen. Butanoic acid, then you have formic acid. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Formic acid is present in N sting, whereas formaldehyde that we have discussed in aldehydes, that is methanol, is toxic and it causes irritation to the eyes, nose, throat. So, in case of formaldehyde, exposure to this is very harmful. So, let's continue. Now, formic acid is methanoic acid, and you have ethanoic acid that is acetic acid. Acetic acid is a main component which is used in vinegar. Both of this, formic acid and acetic acid, we have already encountered in the chapter of acids and bases while we have learned the chapter. Now let us look at the molecular formula of each of them. For methanoic acid, the molecular formula is HCOOH. And for ethanoic acid, the formula is CH3COOH. I hope this was clear. We now move on to halogens. The prefix for chlorine the prefix is chloro, that is Cl. Then you for bromine, it is bromo, that is Br. For iodine, it is iodo, which is represented by I, and fluoro is for fluorine. Let's write the functional group to which they belong to. Example of where chloro is used is chloroethane. Example where bromine is used is bromobutane. Where iodine is used is iodopropane. And where fluoro is used is fluoroethane. Let's look now at the molecular formula for each of them. Chloroethane has the molecular formula CH3, CH2, Cl. Bromine has the molecular formula CH3. Again, we have CH3, CH2, CH2, and Br. Iodopropane has the molecular formula CH3, CH3, CH2, and I. And fluoromethane has the formula CH3 bonded to F. So these were all the compounds that we have looked at: alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, and halogens. So that's all for this video. This is very important for your exam point of view. So please go through them well and remember them for your exams. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Until then, do comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye. Take care.